Hi! Today is a very special and exciting day. Karan Az on my channel is a very special guest.
Oh my gosh, I'm like legit excited for this video. You guys have no idea what we have planned for this whole thing.
It's very fun.
So, do you want to explain?
Oh, explaining the whole thing? Okay. So, what we are going to do is we're going to be rating hyped up places in Pune since we are
From Pune.
तर आम्ही जाणार आहे बाहेर and we're going to see if these places really live up to what people
Food
have
places.
been saying.
Yeah.
Just food stuff and things like that, and we'll give you an honest review. And we'll be driving around also, so you'll get to see my driving skills.
I think it's better than mine though.
Let's hope. आणि पार्किंगचा प्रॉब्लेम होणार आहे आणि पाऊस पडला. Let's go.
Oh yeah, you like winged it, huh?
I winged it. Just winged it.
Could never.
No, we both talk now.
So it's recording, okay? First place we're going to is.
It's a cut.
Oh, आताच सांगायचंय का?
It's on FC Road. It's very popular. लोकांना कळेल.
So the first place we're gonna go to is Vaishali.
Vaishali. Yeah. And we're going to order something other than our usual Mysore masala dosa.
Yeah. Oh my! I always order that.
I like the cutlets. Have you ever ordered the cutlets?
I've ordered the cutlets, but like they're okay.
पण असे 3 येतात.
तीन येतात.
फक्त 3
हा
येतात.
3 pieces.
Wait, कसं जायचं आपल्याला? Wait,
FC Road ना इथून. हो इथून.
इथूनच ना?
Oh, I'm bad with roads.
Me too. मस्त मजा येणार आहे आज.
First ever collaboration.
And you'll get to
This is why I can't multitask that way.
and you'll get to witness my road rage also थोडा.
Yeah.
Hey, बावळट!
You need to talk.
Yes, I'm just trying to focus.
Yeah.
Once इथे एक रिक्षा पार्क होती आणि मग माझा अडसा त्या रिक्षाच्या रॉडला लागला and the guy got so mad at me. I don't know why काय झालं पण नव्हतं आणि मग he followed me till आपला लॉ कॉलेज रोड वाला सिग्नल. He followed me and I was so scared, so मी एक्स्ट्रा फास्ट जात होते तो असं फुल ट्रॅफिकला अडवून असा आडवा थांबला सिग्नलच्या पुढे. So then I had to like I couldn't go anywhere, so I had to stop. It's a full bad word.
You need to talk.
Keeps like vibrating and then it just moves this way.
It's your camera. काय तू बघितला तो व्हिडिओ?
कुठला?
काय जॉब बीपचं बघू तर काय you haven't seen that?
No, I
It's
haven't.
so funny. सिग्नल बंद पडला का?
Telling them where you live.
Beep.
Cut that out.
बट सिग्नल बंद पडला का जंक्शन? एक तर आपण फर्स्ट आहे जायचं का नाही? We go or not? सगळे थांबले.
Okay, let's go.
Push.
I hate.
I hate going to FC Road.
Sorry, I just need to do.
So very exciting places.
What am I doing?
The only problem is signals. मला दिसत नाही ते. सिग्नल बंद पडला का?
Telling.
But signal बंद पडला का? We go or not?
मला रात्रीचा प्रॉब्लेम होतो. Like I can't because of the headlights. They just hit my eyes.
I'm blinded by the lights.
Also, there's gonna be a twist in this.
Oh yeah. Oh
Don't
my
tell
god.
them. So the only thing about FC Road is the parking.
गर्दी
Oh my gosh.
गर्दी. Parallel parking आहे.
Let them honk. थांब रे बाबा जायचंय.
मला आधी वाहनतळ म्हणजे विमानतळ म्हणजे आय वॉज कन्फ्युज बिटवीन वाहन आणि विमान. मला वाटायचं वाव इकडे एअरपोर्ट. विपिन होती का ती बाजू?
नाही पुढे लेफ्टला इंडिकेटर दाखव.
पॅरलल पार्किंग आहे.
गो लाईक रिव्हर्स. नाही रिव्हर्स नो. हे व्हील. असं
ते पुढे का लागले? शुड बी फाईन ना नाही का?
नो इट्स टू आउटसाइड.
हा मॅम.
अजून परत सेम हे कर त्या साईडला. आपलं असं जायचं. नो सॉरी गो इन मोर. सो लाईक
अशी
हां
बट पुढे
डुईंग द सेम थिंग बॅक अँड फोर्थ.
बस ना.
बस. So we're here. We're gonna have to walk all the
Finally,
way.
we have to walk a lot.
Yeah.
See you then.
Boom.
1, 2, 3.
We're walking on the very famous road of on the
On the very famous road of what? So you guys are like almost twinning.
Yeah, unintentional. We are at Vaishali, and as always, there's a lot of people here, and they're looking at us sort of weird because we're like two dressed up people. Fan moment. Khaila Dya.
Huh.
So the twist thingy that we were talking about, the fun thing that's happening is that we are not going to choose our orders. We're going to ask the table next to us or like near us what they've ordered and order the same thing. So it's going to be like a food surprise as well for us.
Just to be safe, we'll just order one Mysore dosa and the other one would be random.
Other things would be random. Yeah.
I love the coffee here, like the cold coffee.
I like the jelly here.
एकदा सांगा ना असा ऑर्डर काय हे चीज मैसूर
अजून काय देऊ
सरप्राईज कुठला आहे आमचा काका?
काय
आलं नाही का अजून सरप्राईज आमचं
नाही आलं? अच्छा ठीक आहे. आला.
Okay, no bad.
Wow, thank you. So our food is here, and this was the surprise dish that the waiter chose from the other table that we had no idea about. And this is our basic Mysore cheese. Yeah. Our
Cold coffee.
Because
That's sweet this time.
yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm not really a cold coffee professional. I've never had this before. Hi, this must be cheese chili toast. Huh? Good. Bread and cheese.
So love the freaking chutney here.
Yeah.
I legit kept telling Shreya, I was like, Shreya, she's like, the jelly, the this, the I was like, Shreya, we still have to go to like freaking 3 places and we need to eat food there also.
And I have a problem, like I always order more than that day I was in Mumbai and I ordered sushi and I ordered like 3 sushi rolls, noodles, lotus stem, and it was just me. I don't know what I was thinking.
Cheese.
Can you is it focusing? I mean, you can't go wrong with. Hi, we're back after having a really nice meal at Vaishali, and the waiter was just so nice and cooperative.
Like legit, he was
खूप good.
that food after so long.
Me too. So it was worth it. We would give it a hype scale rating of
8.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 for this. So we're gonna just rate all these places in this way. Gucci. If you haven't been to Vaishali, go to
Go to
Vaishali.
Vaishali. So now we're going to this place called Swig. Again, Pune people will be like. But I recently went to Mumbai and I found out that Swig does not exist in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So now this is a Pune thing. So we should include it in our little Pune hype
with
rating thingy.
and
Do the same thing, I think.
yeah.
Similar-ish thingy.
Yes.
But on a very different context because Swig is like a bar and stuff. So
Oh,
we
yeah.
might just.
That was so cute. Okay. Let's just see them
Safety
over there.
first, kids.
Testing.
We are at a Swig. It's a Swig.
This is Shreya. This is
Take notes.
yes. This is Swig, which y'all don't have.
But we do. It doesn't make up for much, but people are looking at us, but like whatever. There's like 3 people here right now. कारण आम्ही दुपारी आलोय आणि जास्त गर्दी नाहीये. So that's cool. As
I'm
opposed
sorry,
to
wait, Shreya. I'm still like adjusting this. Don't talk. Wait.
when I talk, I like don't talk. When I don't talk, I like talk. So we're gonna do the same thing. I don't know, up to you.
No, it's up to you. I don't like.
Just 2 minutes. So, since there aren't a lot of people here and like I don't think people are like eating stuff, so we're going to have to switch it up a little bit. I think आपण त्यांना सांगू की काय सांगायचं कारण टेबलवर नाही आहेत जास्त लोक.
No, let's ask them their most
recommended food. हे बघा. You know me, I'm a big Bollywood person, so Desi Nights is sort of my thing. In Mumbai, I did this thing where I tried cheesecake at every single cafe that I went to, and they were all bad. Mumbai does not have good cheesecake. I missed Plaisir so much. Thank you. We want to do this thing where you decide what to give us.
Okay, so you like to drink like whiskey, rum.
Started with the
Started
drink.
with the drink.
Maybe we start with the food.
The popular thing here.
Okay, so veg or non-veg?
Non-veg. Non-veg?
हाँ
Non-veg. We'll tell you that we want something light and like non-veg.
हाँ.
You just decide and give it to us.
हाँ हमको
बताइए.
बताना नहीं.
Something in drink?
हाँ we'll take one Cosmo then if you want.
ठीक है. What would you recommend?
Sweet blossom, good looking cocktail. Sweet blossom we have there.
You want to have one and share?
हाँ हाँ एक ही.
ठीक है. One sweet
Sweet
blossom.
blossom. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sweet
Sweet
blossom.
blossom. Enjoy that.
Okay, thank you.
There's actual flowers. Oh. Smells also good. Good. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. This is like the first time I'm ever having. फुलं पण खायची आहेत का?
Shreya, stop.
Influencers in the wild.
Lol.
मस्त आहे.
Must.
हे बघा.
How cute is she? I mean.
Wow.
So this is our fried chicken.
This is something that they recommended us to have. It smells good. Not a big fan of fried.
I like KFC. I've heard a lot of people like they don't like KFC at all.
If I had the choice, I wouldn't go to KFC.
Yeah.
Kadi patta hai खूप. Kadi patta is good for your health.
Yeah.
Hi. There's a dog here. Camera shy hai to. From the place that I'm going. Bapre.
Wow.
So I was saying, I'll take Baba. Wait a minute. It's good. Didn't like it? No, it's good. That's the fake.
No, it's actually good.
But I'm honestly so full.
Told her she freaking wanted jelly from Vaishali. I was like, Shreya, we need to eat at Swig also, and then eat at another place, and then another place. When Shreya came up with this idea, I was like, Shreya, I'm like trying to stop eating outside, and then I just promised myself that this would be the
Last time that you eat out?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
पैसे कितनी ज़्यादा
Correct.
like most of the money goes on food only, bro.
YOLO.
YOLO.
मेरा बास है. Style. I am talking. Oh my gosh. I am.
You guys, please tell me in the comments that this whole time I feel like I've been talking.
No.
Yeah.
It's just I don't do a lot of I don't address people too much. So I'm not like hi or like we'll see you later. Bye. What do you think?
Shreya.
Pretty cool though.
Shreya, no, I didn't even notice that.
ठीक है, she's saying no. You know, a year later when this will be a trend, you will be JK. Look, I dare you to eat one full.
One full.
हाँ.
I mean, the reason why they put it in, I think because it's edible.
Edible है ना?
Edible, I guess.
We'll guess you will find out. We go. अरे बाबा. कैसा है? Does it taste like anything?
No.
You ate the whole flower. Did it taste like anything?
थोड़ा कड़ू लग रहा.
Hey,
You wanna go live on Instagram?
we can go live on Instagram.
Yeah. Let's just cut this off. We're gonna go live on Instagram right now.
Sala.
Yeah, I love the
Like
vibe.
yeah, and I mean, for like people staying in Pune, coming here is sort of like you always bump into someone you know. So there's like a homely sort of a little bit. It's like a very go-to place for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So I think that's why that adds a few points.
Yeah,
I
the
think,
food was good.
and in general, also I like coming here.
Yeah, no. It's like rate the whole thing out of 10.
What would you say?
I think I would give it a 9.
9? ठीक है 9.
ठीक है.
So that's a 9 out of 10 on the hype scale.
So now.
So now we have a little bit of a detour, a little bit of bump in the plan. We have to go back to my house for like 10 minutes and then we're going to do 2 more places.
And that's gonna be on my channel. So
Yes,
I think
so
you
check
should-
that out.
I think you're gonna have to close this up right now.
Really? Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm so awkward with the outros and intros. But if you ever come to Pune, be sure to check these places out. This is
None of this was sponsored.
yeah, we
so-
just like coming here. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and do
Yeah.
everything in the whole wide world.